Hola señoritas and señoritas, welcome to the channel Fumie TV. So for today we will be preparing our coffee jelly extracted from our ground coffee. So our ingredients for today are gulaman powder for our jelly product. Next is the all-purpose cream. Yan. And then the condensed milk para pag minix natin sa coffee ay lalapot siya and mas creamier. So next is our ground coffee from Seniorita Cafe. Ang flavor nito is butterscotch. So i-extract natin yung flavor dyan. Next is ano yung gagamitin natin equipment. First things first is the French press para ma-mix natin yung coffee at the same time i-extract ang flavor at yung liquid. For our coffee cream, first ingredient would be our ground coffee from Seniorita Cafe. This is a butterscotch flavored ground coffee. So, gagamitan natin siya ng French press para sa ating coffee. First, ang gagawin natin is i-unpack natin yung ating ground coffee and then we will have a 3-spoon servings ng ating ground coffee. Yan. As you can see, there's a lot of coffee inside. So, we will pour several spoon servings for our ground coffee. Yan. We made it 3 spoon servings. Yan. After we pour 3 spoon servings for our ground coffee, we will pour hot water into the French press. As you can see, nag-start na siya mag-blend. The next thing to do would be i-stir natin yung coffee along with the hot water para mag-mix siya. So, gagawin natin is i-mix na natin yung coffee. After several minutes of mixing the coffee or pag-stir natin ng coffee, the next thing to do would be ipipress na natin to extract the flavor and at the same time ihiwalay ang powder from the liquid. After this, we will wait a few moments para ma-complete natin yung pag-prepare ng coffee. Next, as you can see, we are preparing our gulaman powder into the pot. So, yan nga, ang gagawin natin naman is ibubuhos natin yung ating gulaman powder. After natin ibuhos ang ating gulaman powder into the pot, we will put some warm water at the same time imimix natin ang ating gulaman powder. So after several minutes na paghahalo natin, paiinitan natin and then pakukuluan natin siya to make it more sticky and more glutinous. Once it start to become glutinous or nagiging malapot na siya tignan, ang gagawin naman natin is ita-transfer natin siya into a certain container like this Tupperware na pinapakita namin sa inyo. After nating ma-transfer ang ating gulaman into our plastic container, we will be transferring this into a fridge or we will put our container into a refrigerator and store it for 7 hours. When preparing our cream coffee, first, ibubuhos natin yung buong laman ng French press which is our extracted ground coffee papunta sa ating pot. After nating ibuhos ang ating extracted prepared ground coffee, it will be followed to be mixed with all-purpose cream, and then para mas maging malapot at mas makrema ang ating coffee, ihalo naman natin ang condensed milk. We will mix this for 3 to 5 minutes. While mixing, you can notice na nagiging makrema na ang ating prepared na coffee. So, to add sweetness, you can add several spoon servings ng ating sugar. From here, we are using brown sugar. After several spoon servings, we will continue mixing the ingredients. After ma-chill ng ating gelatin, hihiwain natin siya or we will slice our gulaman into a cube size shape. After natin ma-slice, ilalagay natin siya on a certain container, then imimix lang natin siya ng konti. As you can see, medyo malalaki lang yung ating gulaman. So, we will slice it further para mas maging smaller yung ating gulaman or ating gelatin. And then, ibubuhos na natin on a certain container ang ating creamy coffee para mag-mix dun sa ating gelatin to become a finished product ng ating coffee jelly. For our finished product, you can pour ice and then ibubuhos natin sa isang mug or sa isang cup ang ating finished product na coffee jelly made from our ground coffee. So as you can see, malalaki lang ang ating gelatin pero it looks so tasty. So thank you nga pala sa mga senyorita at senyoritas na tumangkilik sa Seniorita Cafe. And make sure you click the subscribe button, like button, and the notification bell para sa ating future videos. So, see you on the next video. Babush, enjoy your coffee jelly!